Hello students and welcome back to Lux Tutorial, and my name is Abhishek Gupta. Now for a very long time I haven't been making the videos because of some reason, but we are back. Now in this video we are going to discuss about the further reduced syllabus that has been done by the ICSE Council for class 10. Now the students, those who are there watching this video, if you don't know about the previous reduction, you can click on the I button. Over there I have put the link. You can click on that link and you can watch the previous video where I have discussed in detail the previous reduction. And if somehow the class 9 student is watching this video, then I have also put a link in the I button where you can click and you can watch the video for class 9 reduced syllabus. Now let us come to the further reduced syllabus of mathematics. Now in the further reduced syllabus, the topics those are removed in the further reduction, that means the new reduction. I'm going to discuss only those topics. I'm not going to revise all the previous topics. So let us quickly come to the points. The first thing or the first chapter that has been removed, that is the very important chapter in class 10 syllabus, is the construction. Now this entire chapter has been removed from your syllabus. That means none of the topics are coming from the construction portion. So this entire topic has been removed. Apart from this, there are some minor changes or some minor reduction, but this is the biggest reduction for the class 10 students. Apart from this, the next thing or the second point that I am going to discuss is the reduction in the coordinate geometry. Now in the coordinate geometry, in the case of straight line, the topic that is condition of parallelism and the condition of perpendicularity, that topic has been entirely removed from the syllabus. So students need not study that topic. Apart from this, the next thing that is removed is from statistics. Now in the case of statistics, nothing has been removed, but the students have been given an option that in the previous years, whenever a question come in the case of statistics, the question was already mentioned that either you use step deviation method or you use the shortcut method or the direct method. It is already mentioned. But in this year, the students get the freedom to choose any of the method that they wish to. That means their question paper doesn't contain any question like this, that where it will be stated that you have to use the step deviation method. They won't state like this. They won't give the question like this. Instead, they will give the question where the student have the freedom to choose any method. They can apply any method over there. But it's my general suggestion to use the shortcut method or the step deviation method, because the problem in the direct method is that sometimes what happens, the data that is given in the question, it's very big. So the problem is the calculation is much longer or very hectic kind of a calculation happens over there. So that is why my suggestion is to do those questions, or whenever they're solving statistics, to solve the questions related to the step deviation or the shortcut method. This is the thing that has been removed from the statistics portion. Now the last thing, let's come to the topic circles. Now in the case of circles, the proof of all the formulas has been removed. Previously there was some reduction, but the proof of all the formulas has been removed from this time. That means in this particular situation, all the proof has been removed. That means you will only read the statement. That means that you will only read the theorem and you will just apply that theorem in the questions. That means that application is there, but the theorem proof is not there in your syllabus. So just you need to go through with the theorem and see the application, that means see the examples and start applying the theorem. So these are the things that we have already discussed. One more thing that I have left, that is the case of mensuration. Now in the case of mensuration, the sphere is totally removed. That I missed before, but sphere is totally removed. That means these are the 5 topics that has been reduced or that has been removed from the syllabus. What are they? The first thing is the condition of parallelism. Second, the entire topic construction is removed. In the case of circles, all the proof part has been removed. In the case of statistics, the student is given the option to choose their own formula that they want to. And in the fifth case, in the case of mensuration, the sphere has been removed from the entire syllabus. So these are the reduction of your syllabus. So students, you have already understood what has been removed. So start preparing for your final examination or for your school examination, because whenever the teacher will set the paper, the teacher will keep this thing in mind because you are going to appear for your board examination. So start preparing at home. So prepare yourself and best of luck for your upcoming examination. We will meet in another video. In the next video, we are going to discuss about the physics further reduced syllabus. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, any query, then you can join our Telegram channel. The link is given in the description box, or you can DM me in my Instagram ID or the Institute Instagram ID. So thank you for watching this video. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye.